if you could taste the world without leaving your kitchen? From bustling night markets to cobblestone streets, the world's most incredible food has always been served from carts, stalls, and windows. That's why I'm creating a cookbook that brings street food into your home. Journey from the aromatic stalls of Southeast Asia to the smoky carts of the Middle East. Discover the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean, the bold tastes of South America, the comforting traditions of Eastern Europe. Explore the spice markets of India, the night markets of East Asia, the taco stands of Mexico, and the rich culinary heritage of the Caucasus. Every region, every flavor, every tradition brought together in one collection. And here's what makes this special. Everything can be cooked in your own kitchen with ingredients you can actually find. No hassle, no hunting for impossible items. Just authentic street food made accessible. This is a premium hardcover edition with stunning full-color photography accompanying every recipe. Modern design meets timeless traditions. It's as beautiful on your coffee table as it is practical in your kitchen. The kind of book you'll reach for again and again. Back this project today. Help us bring the world's streets to your kitchen. Let's make this cookbook a reality together.